Grader is accused of threatening to shoot his teacher at West Claremont Middle School. Investigators say the threat was made in a crowded hallway at school.
Now an 11-year-old boy is facing a judge and charges of aggravated menacing. WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick was in the courtroom today. He joins us live with the story. Brian.
Yeah, Chris, well, this is the latest in a long line of threats around the region recently. There's a message that apparently some students just are not getting, that even fake threats will end up in real charges. It began in the hallways of West Claremont Middle School and ended up here, juvenile court.
We're here for a detention hearing, and
where a word like detention gets more attention.
The purpose of today's hearing, it's a detention hearing, and the purpose is only to decide whether you stay in detention while this case is pending or whether you go home.
Judge Ed Santon talking to a sixth grader. We're not showing him because of his age. Young considering the charges, aggravated menacing and disorderly conduct in a school zone.
Denial to both charges?
Yes, both charges.
But more surprising is what he's accused of doing in that hallway. Investigators say it was crowded with students, and the boy said he had a Glock handgun in his backpack and was going to shoot a specific teacher. This is not an isolated incident in the region.
There's been a lots of threats already, and the school year just started.
It comes after a series of threats at local schools. Some have canceled classes. In some cases, football games have been canceled or moved. There have been other arrests. Back in Claremont Court, the student is being released to his parents.
The order's also going to say no guns in the house. It's going to say no access to guns. It's going to require that you not have any contact with the victim.
As another student gets a crash course in the legal system. Yeah, now investigators say that student did not have a gun. Now, the school could not tell us since he's out whether he'll be allowed back into school. They say because of protection issues and student information that they can't release, even though a lot of parents are interested in this. In court, we did hear the prosecutor say she believes that this student has been suspended. Reporting live, Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.